dipandu oleh Rizka Agustina Putri.
The first agenda, we sing the National Indonesia Anthem. We ask the all of the participants
Hadirin
stand up.
dimohon berdiri. Hadirin disilakan duduk kembali.
Salam assalam salam salam alaikum warahmatullah jaralun jaratu mata atu jumala. Salam assalam salam salam alaikum Jaralan jaralan siblom di atur bulan alon lake bakaun luna. Allahumma salli wa sallim ala sayyidina Maulana ya Muhammad sayyidil habib wal mu'minin Allahumma salli wa sallim ala sayyidina Maulana ya Muhammad sayyidil habib wal mu'minin
kasih yang amat banyak kepada seluruh peserta partisipan yang sudah memberi sumbangsi, yang sudah hadir pada Universitas Budaya Indonesia pada momen AIPLUS Aceh kali ini. Terima kasih juga saya ucapkan kepada semua panitia yang sudah mempersiapkan ajang inovasi ini menjadi satu ajang inovasi yang amat besar di Provinsi Aceh. Dan terima kasih juga kepada Profesor Paul yang sedang menghadirkan peserta terbanyak sebanyak 32 partisipan dari India. Beri tepukan yang terbaik. Dan terima kasih juga kepada semua dewan juri yang selama ini telah menilai dan memberi satu penghargaan yang terbaik kepada semua inventor yang hadir di AIPLUS Aceh kali ini. Dan terima kasih kepada dukungan daripada Presiden Mayris yang selama ini juga membantu kita dalam promosi ke seluruh dunia. Ini adalah satu penghargaan dan ucapan terima kasih dari saya kepada Datuk Kamarudin Hussein. Dan terima kasih juga, thank you very much for Mr. So Mo Hong dari Korea. Wow. Thank you very much. Dia sudah menyumbang banyak untuk Universitas Budaya Indonesia. Dia sudah membantu banyak untuk Universitas Budaya Indonesia dan khususnya pada event AIPLUS Aceh. Dia membawa banyak peserta dari Amerika, dari Korea. Dia bawa Presiden Kim Yus Korea Selatan. Thank you. Dan terima kasih juga kepada sponsor, pendukung-pendukung AIPLUS Aceh yang telah memberi sumbangsi banyak, dan para media, wartawan yang sudah memberitakan yang terbaik untuk AIPLUS Aceh 2019. Beri tepuk tangan untuk seluruh panitia dan peserta kita yang terbesar. Baik, pada kesempatan hari ini sekali lagi saya sampaikan bahwa memang ini adalah suatu ajang pertemuan antara seluruh inventor-inventor dari berbagai negara, dan disinilah tempat kita menunjukkan hasil-hasil riset, hasil-hasil inovasi dari semua perguruan tinggi ataupun dari instansi. Dan saya berharap ke depan akan ada event yang sama dalam 2 tahun ke depan, dan saya berharapkan partisipasi yang sama untuk seluruh peserta dapat mempersiapkan diri lebih awal untuk dapat kembali hadir di event AIPLUS Aceh ke depan. Dan saya juga berharap apapun yang ditunjukkan pada hari ini tidaklah sebuah inovasi saja, tetapi bagaimana inovasi yang sudah ada ini dapat ditransfer ke dunia industri atau dikomersialisasikan. Saya berharap dan saya melihat ada banyak anak-anak hebat yang melahirkan inovasi yang luar biasa pada hari ini, dan telah diberikan penghargaan mulai dari bronze, silver hingga gold. Dan sebentar lagi sebenarnya masih ada lagi grand, semi grand yang sudah menanti-nanti para peserta hari ini. Dan terima kasih dari saya, ini yang dapat saya sampaikan. Dan sebentar lagi saya mohon kesediaan Datuk Kamarudin Hussein selaku Presiden Mayris dan juga penasehat daripada Universitas Budaya Indonesia memberi sambutan dan sepatah 2 kata motivasi untuk kita semua. Terima kasih. Sekali lagi saya akhiri, wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Selamat tengah hari. Selamat siang. Anyong Hashimoto.
Boleh.
Alright.
Apa kabar?
Namaste. And then good afternoon. Yeah? Alhamdulillah, I will talk two languages. Ya. Bersyukur kita kehadiran Allah kerana dengan izin dan limpahnya dapat kita berhimpun pada hari ini bagi menyempurnakan upacara perasmian penutup dan penyampaian hadiah International Art Creativity Engineering Exhibition IAC. Give a big applause to her. Ini adalah kali yang keempat, the best I heard from Ibu Marmiati. Ini kali keempat. Tanya kepada Ibu Marmiati. Rektor University of Umuria Indonesia, Professor Marmiati SE M.Phil, please stand up. Give a big applause to him, to her. Bapak Chairman of Umuria Foundation, Mr. Dedi Zafrila SE. Senior Advisor of UUI from, that's me, sorry. President Asia Invention Association and President Korea Invention News, Professor Dr. Song Mo Hong. Thank you very much. Chairman of Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Technology India, Dr. M. Popat, Guru Desa Tanjung with his wife. Please stand up. Dr. Emma. The jury from Malaysia, Young Researcher, My Malaysia, Dr. Muhammad Salihin bin Zakaria. Give a big applause to him. And then the jury from University Malaysia Police, Dr. Khairul Farihan. And then a lot of jury from India, from Indonesia, will give a big applause to them. Okay, thank you very much. Terlebih dahulu saya ingin memanjatkan ucapan penghargaan dan terima kasih buat Ibu Marmiati dan delegasi Universiti Mulia Indonesia UUI yang berbesar hati menjemput saya untuk hadir dan menyempurnakan acara pada kali ini. Please give a big applause to our host IAC UUI, especially for Ibu Marmiati, Rektor UUI, and Bapak Dedi, Chairman UUI of Foundation. It's not easy to manage this exhibition. 4 times, you know, this is the first time in the history that the UUI and all the university, handle of this the exhibition of the technology. We give a big applause to both of them. Let me take this opportunity to welcome my fellow colleagues from Korea and India, which also present here today. We have reached the end of the talk, I think, and it is my privilege to provide some closing remarks. Even though it can be considered as a set task, because you already know each other from India, our colleague from India, give a big applause to them. From Malaysia, our student from Malaysia and also from university, and then from Indonesia, UUI, give a big applause to them. They did the networking for their future innovation. As with such event, and this exhibition has been outstanding example. Our mind has been assailed by thousands of ideas, information, statistics, interpretation, and vision from various participants. I was informed this event involved more than 60 participants from Indonesia, and as well as Korea, Malaysia, India, and United States of America. I hope this event will give new perspective and experiences to all of you. Personally, I want to give my special thanks to Professor Paul, President of SLIC India, to bring the most researcher and lecturer to this conference. We give a big applause to him. And for future, you bring more than 100 to the Indonesia and also Malaysia for the next exhibition. And then we give a big applause also to the Professor Dr. Song, Professor, who is President ASEAN Convention Association and President Korea Convention Youth. He came here more than 3 times. Give a big applause to him. Give a very good commitment to the exhibition, especially not only in Malaysia, in Korea, and also in Indonesia. Thank you. Very much. UNIMED is university, but I'm the chairman of the president of the MIRIS. MIRIS is NGO, non-government organization. We bring the students from various schools for the secondary school to involve in the research, because we believe that because we bring them outside from Malaysia, then they are exposed in science, engineering, technology. They pay their own, same like from India. They pay their own. They come here, contribute, especially to promote science and technology. I hope that from this platform we can work together. You know, become a one community for IR 4.0, industrial revolution 4.0. Then, when I came yesterday, I saw the best one product that you show. The only thing we try now to pattern, to commercialize the product, not only for research, but the important thing for the pattern and also commercialization. Then, this the young researcher came from Malaysia, from India. They came here. The important thing, networking, work together, teamwork. You know each other. You can open your FB, the Instagram, IG, and then a lot of new media to help the alumni for the exhibition for the international. Ladies and gentlemen, I think enough for me to talk, but I'm also very proud because not only UNIMED, we have the International Federation of Inventors Association, IFIA. We give a big applause, IFIA. The World Invention Intellectual Property Association, WIPA, and also MIRIS, the secretary here, Mr. Professor Mustafa has not joined us this time. Then I hope that a lot of the NGO on the research and also exhibition will come and then give a special award after this. Like Professor Fong bring more than 100 special awards. Like us from Mali, we give the 10. And then from the host today, more than 10. Then give a special award on top of the gold and also silver. The special award for you. I said we break first, we close this one, then a special award. You know, we will give outstanding researcher from various countries. Thank you very much. My dear colleague, on behalf of UUI, I'm the advisor to UUI 10 years ago. Now UUI is now become in the list in Indonesia. Now is around ranking not more than 50 now. Give a big applause to Ibu Marmiati. On behalf of UUI, we greatly appreciate the support we have received from all of you. I look forward to seeing you again in other platforms, especially in Malaysia. In April or June, we are going to organize another IU Create, an international innovation creativity. For last year, we organized more than 2,000 innovators came to join us. I hope that we will organize in Kuala Lumpur for future. Then maybe in another year we will organize with Sri, with UUI, with Korea, with Brunei, and we become one consortium to organize one of the best exhibition in the world. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And then after the special award, we close our IACE. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much to our national advisor of the UUI, National President Mayor's Malaysia, Dato' Profesor Agustinus Dr. Al-Azim Hussain. Before we continue to our session, please note we will enjoy.
Assalamualaikum po intan bulun kamu brisalun kuare lingka sawu brisalun nabi kun sunat jarotamu marsyarat mulia. Assalamualaikum po intan bulun kamu brisalun kuare lingka sawu brisalun nabi kun sunat jarotamu marsyarat marsyarat mulia. Salam kamu bibunana sambut
cui kacam kacum je Alah hai cum kacum je Hai putra kacui kacam kacum je Putra bungsu dijang ketapang Ku dari jang getran lamudonya Kuda mana dalam kulam Bungsu gedang kagetan hana Tren tajam mano Hai darah berotan tajam mano Oleh mano laki senalari ijanya putih senale mano Putra getran dengan pakaian Geduri jangga dengan poda Puduk baje di atas tumpuk Dan ku malam geduk ulap urut tiga Allah hai cuma kacam kacum je Putra kacui kacam kacum je Allah hai cuma kacam kacum je Hai putra kacui kacam kacum je Putra bungsu getran lama kulam Gemana rijang ka dengan gudang Kita cui alon-alon Bagori dan di mingaku ala Hai cuma kacam kacum je Putra kacui kacam kacum je Alah hai cuma kacam kacum je Hai putra kacui kacam kacum je
Tajamano darah baru tajamano Oleh mano laki senalin Ijanya putih senalin mano Tajamano darah baru tajamano Oleh mano laki senalin Ijanya putih senalin mano
Dengku manen di dalam uruk Guna jenga baje bungsu dah Lepah bungsu getran dalam kulam Gejoklah pakaian lem diwala
Selamat mendengarkan and jangan lupa like, share and subscribe channel Team FTV.
Thank you.